Hi and welcome to Trackplan. In this video I will discuss our Contractors Portal and how it can be useful for internal maintenance staff or external contractors view and manage their jobs. The resource can be given access to the Contractors Portal via the Portal and App tab in the Resource module in the main application. It is highly configurable, where certain features can be turned on or off. Alternatively, a link can be attached to the instruct email. Once clicked, this will bring the contractor straight to the Contractors Portal. It will bring them straight to that specific task. Now the contractor can view any details associated to this task. They can create any task notes. They can add photos. They can view any documents that have been sent down or upload their own documents. View any associated assets. Create costs. Create quotes or estimates. View and submit forms that have been sent down, or keep track of time records. For this contractor, it has been enabled that they have to accept the task. They have to start the task, and they have to complete the task. Apply a signature and confirm. All times and dates and GPS stamps have been recorded in the Time Records tab and will be sent back up to the main application. Once the task is completed by the contractor, they can then add costs. Save these and click Costs Finalized. Once finalized, they will not be able to edit these costs. All costs will be visible in the main application for review by management, who in turn can fully complete the job. Clicking on the Options button in the top right hand corner will reveal what the contractor has available to them, including their own dashboard where they can quickly view any open or overdue tasks. They also have a list of all their tasks, the calendar view where they can view by day, week or month, a list of quotes and estimates. They can create a new job, or they have access to forms in the form library. Clicking on any number will bring them to the list of the job tasks. Filters along the top can help narrow their search. From here, they can access the details and start to manage that task. I hope this video was useful to you, and thank you for watching.